test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations,
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station KHB38
Can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
All Hazards.
In New Jersey, Cape May. In Maryland, Carolina, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey south to Central Peak, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
How are you doing?